Hi, I'm John Colley. I've been working in investment banking since 1988, and in that time, I've given advice to literally hundreds of companies, from startups to multinationals. Floated companies? Tick. Hostile and friendly takeovers? Tick. Capital raising from angels, VCs, private equity? Tick. Corporate advisory assignments? Tick. Mergers and acquisitions? Tick. Company sales? Tick. You name it, I've done it. In over 30 years, I've held senior roles in major investment banks, as well as co-founding 2 investment banking boutiques myself. Since 1988, I've specialized in the tech sector. You can check out my CV on LinkedIn. Just search for me by my name, John Colley. But it's not about me, this is about you. How can I help you with your business challenges and business problems? From business strategy to business planning, whatever you need to speak about, I am here to help. So set up a consultation with me today. I can't wait to speak with you, in confidence, of course. Oh, and did I mention, only exclusively on Fiverr.